Rules of thinking and mental models. To distinguish between the innovative thinking style and the logical thinking style of humans, we must delve into the thinking processes of each lobe of the brain. The rules of innovation in the mental model of the left lobe of the brain, it shows dealing with matters rationally, characterized by objectivity. This model analyzes and organizes things in a sequential context, perceiving the event in fragmented pieces. The rules of innovation for the mental model of the right lobe of the brain point towards inclusive thinking and randomness in viewing things. This model possesses intuition, the ability to foresee future possibilities, and relies entirely on itself. Its possessor exhibits the capability to adapt to situations successfully, viewing the entirety of an event before him, not merely its parts. From this illustration, we can see that both individuals want to enter the house. The person with the mental model of the left lobe of the brain has the door key, which he will use to enter the house. This scenario represents the logical approach for most people. The person with the mental model of the right lobe of the brain does not possess the door key to help him enter the house. He resorts to a creative solution, using a hammer to enter the house. However, we do not endorse such methods of trickery.